Drake just dropped ICEMAN, and this color grading was so dope. And I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to work on this style. And this is something you need to know and learn from it. Okay, how you will get the dark tone and how get the noise and all. So I'm going to show you how to work with this cinematic look and to get the same thing Drake just dropped, the ICEMAN. And I'm going to show you the step-by-step how to work on this. Let's get into it. So this is what I'm going to do first. Okay, make sure you download Red Giant Bullet. Okay, so you can see here, okay, Magic Bullet look, and when you download it, just install it. I think they will give you some days to just use the trial, and you search for look and you just drag it to your footage and it's going to appear here. You see the Magic Bullet Red Giant. Okay, so this is how the interface is. So I'm going to show you step by step how to just work on this footage. Okay, so the only thing is going to do that, come to the tools. Okay, there's tools here and there's a lot of tools you're going to use. Okay, but I'm going to show you the specific tools you're going to use for your color grading. Okay, so first you need to choose this one. Okay, so you need to choose this one, and when you choose it, okay, this is the tools you're going to control it and see how this is going to matches. So first, make sure you come to the tone curve. Okay, and you step on the 1 and 2. You don't have to make it 3. Okay, so the 1 and 2, and you're going to push it side to down like this. Okay, so I want to push it down to this side. Okay, and then you drag here into the top here like this. So when you work with this process, make sure you just work on the stars too. Okay, and then you push the contrast to 0.44. okay, and then you make this one to be around 7.78, and here to be around let's make it 7.78. okay, and let's check it before and after. So when you get to this, make sure you come to the red. Okay, the tone curve and the red, and then we're going to push here to down like this. Can you see the difference? So we're going to push it to down like this, and then you move to the green. Okay, so the green tool, you're going to push on the same place, and then you come to the blue and you push it. Okay, so when you push it, this is what you're gonna get. And let's see before and after, before and after. So when you're done with this process, okay, make sure you come to the shadow. Okay, the shadow, don't make it too much, and the main tone here is going to drag the main tone to around here. Okay, not too much, around here. And let's check the before and after. So when you're done with that, come to the highlights, and the highlights, don't make it down like this, just push it to the top, cool, like this, so you can see the difference. And let's check and see before and after, before and after. And then we're going to push the saturation, we're going to push the saturation to be around 123.3%. okay, so let's be on that side, and don't control this. Okay, I will show you how to work on this, but first make sure you don't push any of this. And we're going to move to another here. Okay, so we're going to choose the 4-way color, and the 4-way color we're going to control here to again. Okay, so I'm going to make the shadow to be around this side. Okay, you can see the difference, so around this side, and then she'll push the main tone to top here. Okay, so when you're done with it, come to the highlights and make sure the highlights, you see the lights, things have just changed over there. So you see it's too warm, you don't have to make it too warm, you have to make it bright. Okay, to show to bright, and you can see the difference. And let me check and see, this is how you're gonna get it. You don't have to stress it too much, and just make it somewhere, and then you move to the global, and the global, you're going to push the global to around this side. Okay, so I want to push into the side. You won't see any numbers, like I will show you how to count it, so you have to follow the process. Okay, so the main tone, you're gonna push the highlights to be around the side, not too much, and the global is supposed to be around here. Okay, and leave this left side, and the main tone, push it to the top here. So you have to start from here to here and to here and to here, and then you'll come back again and control and see how it's gonna get. So you have to follow the process and make sure you get the same thing I'm showing you right now. And when you're done with this, you got to move to the halation. Okay, so this is how you're going to use the halation. So the halation is going to push here too. You can see the RGB around the side, and you can see everything of just working, and it's just showing right now. So you're going to push this point to around here, orange side, and you're going to push this line to here, so you can see the numbers. You can just check the numbers. Okay, and let me just show you the before and after. You can see the difference, and I'm going to push here to this side again. You can see the halation of the show, but I don't like the blue color, so I'm going to change it to red. So you're going to push the arrow to this side. Okay, so when you push it to the dark side, this is what you're going to get, and you can see the difference before and after. And the only thing it's going to do again is that you're going to move to the film print. So you click on it. This is what it's going to give you. It's going to give you grays and stuff, so you can see the before and after. So only thing we're going to do is that we're going to reduce the contrast. Okay, we're going to reduce the contrast. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to be, the contrast. Okay, and then you can push the tilt to be around let's push to be around 4.50, and here, okay, you push it a little bit to 9.20, and you can see the difference. So you have to make sure you just get what I'm just showing you right now. See before and after. So this is what I just showing you today. Okay, then you choose it's going to choose this one again. It's going to give you two. We use this one, and we're going to work on this one too. Okay, so I'm going to move to the blue side, the temperature, and here to the green side. Okay, so when you get to there, move to the first one again and push here to this side. Okay, to 13.33, and you can see the difference. Okay, you can see the difference. So this is what I'm just showing you to just working on, and you can see the shadow. I'm just making it come out a little bit, and you can see the difference before and after. So guys, this is what I'm just showing you today, to just know that this is what you're gonna get. Okay, so Drake prefers something like this, and I think that's the best color grading I've ever just seen about Drake videos. I really love it, and that's my favorite. And you can see everything I've just changed. So you have to come up with something different and make sure that you do something to get what I'm just showing you right now. Okay, so guys, if you like more videos like this, click here, and I'm gonna drop more videos. See you for the next video. Bye.